Hello friends, today we're going to be building a website. This is going to be how to build a WordPress website. I've got the website from GoDaddy. A client actually bought the website, bought the domain, and so I'm going to set up the WordPress hosting using SiteGround. To get to SiteGround, the best way to do this, if you want to support this channel, is you can go to usefulprogrammer.org and then go to /SiteGround. And that'll get you directly to here, and it supports the channel. My clients got their website set up on GoDaddy, so we want to go to Manage Domains. We'll see that Rochi's USA. Here's what we want. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we'll set up the DNS so that points to SiteGround, but for now, this is just showing you that you have the domain registered here. I wouldn't recommend GoDaddy necessarily. I don't think it's great. I like Google Domains private personally, but for the most part, where you buy your domain doesn't matter much. I think this is $12 a year here. And now we're going to do the hosting. So what we can do is WordPress, managed WordPress hosting. We can go get started. We're going to start off with this startup plan here. Now, if you don't have a domain, you can register one here, and you can say register a new domain, and that'll actually be a little bit easier. But it is $16 through SiteGround, whereas with GoDaddy, I think it's $14, so you might save a few bucks. But here we've got rochisusa.com. So this is the one that we're going to do, rochisusa.com, and proceed. Here, okay, so now you've just got to fill out your information. Don't do SiteGround scanner. You can confirm this. I would like to receive, don't try to, I don't like receiving emails like that. And I'm just going to fill this stuff out for my client. And then I'm just going to actually have them, I'm going to pay for it, but then I'll just have them reimburse me later once the site is set up. So for now, I'm just going to skip this part. Okay, now that information's in there, it's just going to take a few moments for us to set it up. So now we're just going to proceed to the customer area. And cool. So now we want to go to websites. And so we've got Rochi's USA already here. We can start a new website or migrate an old website. For this one, we're starting a new one, and we're going to do a WooCommerce one because Rochi's is a sunglass suspender chain, and so we're going to be selling things. So that's what this is going to be about. Set up a login email address. Okay, so now I'm just going to do my email and a password here. And here they're trying to upsell you for Site Scanner. I don't recommend this. Just say finish, so you can skip it. Okay, so now that it's all set up, first thing that we want to do is point your domain. So please point your domain to a new host server. Your DNSs are this. And so I'm going to copy one of these, and you'll see that one is NS1, and then and everything else is the same, and the other one is NS2, and everything is the same. So I actually only need to copy the top one. And I'm going to go back over to GoDaddy, and we're going to check for our DNS. We're going to say manage zones. And in here, they're going to say name to search for. Now, we want the one that we already have on here. So we're going to go Rochi's USA. And then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to find the name servers. Here is where we want to change the name servers. So you click change, and it'll take you into this new window. Enter my own name servers. They say it's advanced. It's not that advanced. All you have to do is put these in here and just make this one say 2. And so you can add... just throw this one away. And now instead of saying add name server, once you've got 1 and 2 in here, and then again, this is NS1, and then that's the thing, and that's NS2. And so now we can say save. Changing the number of servers is risky, could potentially lead your website to disappearing from public view. This is just GoDaddy trying to scare you into using their server, their service. So yeah, now that we've updated the name server, it might take a little bit. So they're saying that this might take a while. If we go to rochis.com right now, you'll see that it's not quite working right now. We're getting an error code, but the error code's no big deal. It just takes us a little bit for the name servers to propagate. So you just want to wait it out. It took me, I waited about an hour just now. So now I'm refreshing the page. I'm going to go back to give it another try. rochesusa.com. And now we'll see. Awesome. We've got a functional website. We have a WordPress up there. So that's how you get WordPress installed. So that's the first one. That's setting up the hosting and getting the first section. In the next video, I'll go into setting up a theme and making some custom menus and making pages, making some posts, and that kind of thing. Oh, and we're also going to set up WooCommerce in this series. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next video.